Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track out of a 79 Corvette. This comes from Mike in Downingtown, Pennsylvania. Mike reports that the 8-track doesn't work and the tuner does not pick up stations. Mike has requested the modern internal conversion with Bluetooth and USB, and we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got this radio set to the one strong AM station I get in my area, and so we'll go ahead and turn it on. And while we've got it on AM talk radio, we'll demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. We're going to try the front rear fader. We're going to need our speaker level outputs for this. Okay, front rear fader.
Show that's real.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the tone control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. This is all being done with the tone control. All the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to try to center. Fader set. Okay, let's try the left-right balance.
Balance adjust.
Okay, same control. All the way left, all the way right, left, right. Alrighty.
The school bus takes us there.
Balance
is set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into parry mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so Bluetooth ready to pair. So it's trying to pair with a portable audio device. We don't need this stuff anymore. Let's make sure the USB plays my radio commercial off this stick.
Her voice was also different than regularly, but I called about your...
Okay, pull the stick out, radio comes back. Okay, let's go over to FM. And I've got all 5 presets set to stations in my area so we can get through this test quickly. FM.
Right now on Wendy's, enjoy the $3 breakfast.
We'll just go through the presets.
Or change.
What is that?
Far pretty. They have built their success.
Okay, that one drifted a little bit.
Special.
Just reset it.
Ketchup. Top of the profession.
Okay, there we go. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Now on this unit, you got to turn it down a little bit before you put a tape in there because I've got the output really hot on the 8-track section to bring out the brightness. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, it's a nice, bright, clear sounding 8-track.
The water's fine, it's a star-spangled world. So don't you ever call her bad girl. When you hold my hand, I'm a prehistoric man. I go 8. Like a barrel of
Okay, gonna hit the eject button, and tape comes out, radio comes back. Alright, let's make sure the dial light works. You can see the dial light flashing on and off through that hole right there in response to my command. So that takes care of everything. We've tested the AM, FM, the presets, the 8-track, the Bluetooth, and the USB. And then also Mike has requested this cool little master input-output box that allows you to run this into an external amplifier. You got your preamp outs, your 4-channel preamp outs, plus an unpowered subwoofer out, and then these are your aux inputs right there. So anything you plug into this, the radio will automatically switch over to the aux input anytime there's audio present on those jacks. So that takes care of it, and I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service through my website below. I do ask all customers to visit my website and print out a work order before calling me with questions, because that's what the website and the work order are for. They're there to answer all your questions so that I'm on the phone for 5 minutes instead of 15 or 20. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Mike, for your business all the way from Downingtown, Pennsylvania, and we'll see you guys next time.